guys! Hi, good buddies, this is Bianca. Sa picture na ito, ipapakita at ipapaalam ko kung ano ang ginagawa ko pag naboboard ako. Let's roll the clip. First, ako ay naglalaro ng mga dolls and glaze.
Hey, that is my dog.
Hi, my name is Elsa. Hope you like our channel. Bye. Bye. This is Elsa. Ang pangalawa ay gymnastics. Ako ay marunong mag-gymnastics ng split and bridge. Hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yon. But favorite ko talaga ang split. Let's see. Ang pangatlo ay nagbabasa ng mga libro. Pang-apat, kumakanta ng sobrang malakas. Let it go! Let it go! And favorite ko, ang ginawa gusto ko ay Ever After High. They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. Rebel, you know that you're together however you go ever and ever after high. Ang lima ay nasa cellphone. Pang-anim, drawing. Bye, buddies! Bye, buddies! Bye!
Bye, buddy.